probably one of the toughest things I gotta talk about right now. Cause it's like, man, I know you see the damn title, bro. Feel me? I know you see the title, man. It's like, damn, bruh, 300? Yeah, bro. I'm gonna tell you how I lost it before I tell you guys how I gained it. But I'm gonna just get straight to the point with it. You know what I'm saying? Old fluff. I owned up to my BS. Man, I'll say over leveraging and doing too much at once. You feel me? Trying to dibble and dabble at once and like accept help from other people. That's one thing I struggle with because I'm like super like I want to be independent and get it on my own. I ended up getting a business loan a while back. I was making money trading stock options. I wanted to go ahead and rush my process. Like, yo, I wanted to get half a million because I was already at like I was just over 300K, and so I wanted to do like, yo, I want to have half a million. I want to get to $1 million as soon as possible, bro. And so I remember trading, bro. I'm trading now. The first 2 weeks I'm making money, and then after that, losing streak, just losing every single trade, bro. And I'm like, damn, bro. Because in my personal life, I'm trying to like get like peace and quiet. You feel me? I'm the type of person to just sit back there at the desk, computer, bro. Let me do my thing. Let me focus, bro. But it's kind of complicated for me to do that when there's so much like distraction going around me, like especially in the house. So that makes it complicated for me to just be in my zone. And when I got that business loan, I was like at peak focus, peak performance. I'm doing my thing, bro. I'm killing it. You feel me? And so I stopped trading because I was losing money, and so I sat back for a little minute and just thought my next moves. And so even though I stopped, the business loan still has to be paid every month. You know what I'm saying? So I end up starting my Amazon business, and it was a huge success. You know what I'm saying? I studied it, studied the game, the blueprint, got it all mapped out. I started going with it, boom, making money with it. All right. Now, even though I'm making money with it, so I got a business loan. You know, those payments got to be made. And so that started to, creep in slowly. Feel me? I'm like, yo, F it, bro. Let me go ahead and do my thing, bro. I got to use business credit cards. Let me go ahead and keep getting these products. I know what to sell. I know what I'm doing. I'm violating right now. I'm doing my thing. Boom, I'm making payments on a business loan. I'm paying back the credit cards and all that. But then I ended up starting I started, but I ended up going more into my clothing brand too, so I can get things going, promos and all that, get things up and running because that's something that I actually care about and have passion for. And so I'm running that right there too, along with the Amazon business. Like months go on, bro. Maybe like let me see, like maybe like half the year, bro. Like I'm gonna say I'm gonna say by my birthday, by May. That's when I started getting like mentally fatigued because I'm taking care of this, my personal life. You feel me? I'm dealing with this, my personal life, trying to take care of this stuff right here. I feel dolo, you feel me? Like I feel alone doing this. And then I'm trying to handle business, bro. You feel me? And then I'm giving people money to help them out with the end of their life. Getting these credit cards, paying the business loan, making sure inventory is coming in. I'm making sure these, I'm on top of promo. I'm making sure like I'm running my social media, all that when it comes to clothing. Eventually, bro, I just got so mentally drained, bro. I just stopped everything, bro, because I was getting pissed off already with things going on in my personal life. So I just stopped. Feel me? I just stopped. Sit back for like shoot, probably the rest of May, bro. I sat back and didn't touch nothing. I didn't do nothing, bro. And so I already violated like I already put in so much inventory to the point where if I sat back for a little bit for a little minute, yeah, I would still get sales on Amazon. But then me slowing down and stuff when it came to my clothing brand, I'm not doing much for it. So it's like, okay, sales slow down, the awareness slows down. Because when it comes to that game right there, you gotta be on top of it. You feel me? You gotta be on top of the clothing brand. You gotta just be in it for real, just so you keep that momentum and everybody keeps, coming to it, looking at it. Like I'm running promos, bro. I got people in Atlanta, influencers wearing my clothing brand. You know what I'm saying? Like now I got people looking at my IG page, website, all that. To the point where I slow down, the clothing brand slows down. See what I'm saying? Lose some followers. It's you know what I'm saying? Like feel me? But that happens right there. And so with the Amazon business, if I'm not adding any more inventory, and the inventory that's already there is starting to sell out, less money comes in. But I still have a business loan to take care of. Feel what I'm saying? So at some point, bro, I'm like, damn, bro. Like I just get super complacent and like lazy and just like mad at the world because I'm dealing with things in my personal life and I feel dolo handling it. Like you feel me? Because I'm thinking like, damn, I help everybody else out. Why is nobody else helping me out? You feel me? And it comes to the point where I ended up throwing the Amazon money at the business loan, which was a big mistake. Doing that right there is like it's killing my cash flow because that's the same money that I could have used to buy more inventory. But I'm throwing it at the business loan, knowing that I just used that money right there. Um, Originally came from the credit cards to pay for inventory, so I'm throwing that money at the business loan. And so as that money is going to business loan, there's no money else. There's no other money coming in to take care of the credit cards. And so now it's like, okay, the business loans are being paid, but now I'm starting to pay the credit cards, but I'm paying them at a lower amount than I'm paying the business loan. So now I'm not really buying inventory anymore because I'm taking care of the business loan, make sure that's completely settled and situated. You feel what I'm saying? To the point where I'm like, all right, let me go ahead and get up and let me do my thing. At that point, it was too damn late. I should have been thinking 5 steps ahead in May instead of sitting back. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what I should have did at first, but I didn't. And that right there crippled my businesses because that business loan killed my cash flow all around. Because even with the clothing brand, I could have just took that money and put that money with the clothing brand and reinvested and everything with the Amazon business, reinvest that money there too. But I didn't. It went to the business loan, and that killed my cash flow completely. That one business killed my other businesses. You see what I'm saying? That was a big mistake. And to a certain extent, I'm over here like, dang, like I'm giving people money, helping them out in their life, and I'm reaching back out to them like, yo, return the favor. And they ain't, you know what I'm saying? They ain't hit me back up. They ain't do nothing for me. I'm just like, damn, bro. Looking out for a bunch of people, bro. I'm talking about people, bro, like for real. I'm handling their life situations and their responsibilities for them. And they can't look out for me anymore. I'm like, damn, so I was pissed off, you feel me? I'm getting super angry, bro. I'm getting hot. And then I mean, yeah, that's like the real reason why I lost that much money. You feel me? Because I was trying to keep everything glued together at the same time. And I still gotta take care of rent, take care of things like, you know what I'm saying, things in my personal life too. And yeah, it just became too much, bro. That shit just wiped out my wiped out my business for real, you feel me? But um right now I just gotta build it back up. You know what I'm saying? I gotta rebuild the foundation and get back on my shit. You know what I'm saying? I got the knowledge, you feel me? I know what to do. But it's just gotta right now I just gotta make sure I'm really 5 steps ahead, avoid that mistake ever again. And I'm just sharing this with y'all so y'all know and y'all could, avoid the same situation. Make sure y'all make smarter decisions than I did. You know what I mean? Um, I should have just went slowly with the process of how I was doing it. I should have just kept trading with what I had because good things could have came about. Yeah, I'm trying to rush it, but I should have just went with what I had. You feel me? And kept building, 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 building. That's what I should have did. I was trying to rush it. And right now with the economy, interest rates are high. All type of shit is going on right now, bro. These niggas will tax the fuck out of you. They don't give a fuck, bro. They will. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say, bro. But I made a mistake. You feel me? I can't blame nobody. You know, I'm trying to like before I was like, these people right here should help me out because I helped them out, but it's all good, bro. I don't care no more. I forgive them. I made that decision my damn self. So like I said, bro, it's all good. But I'm just sharing this with y'all because, like I said, I'm trying to document this whole thing, my journey. You feel me? I'm 23 years old right now, bro, and I'm still young, man. Still young. And for anybody younger than me or same age as me or even older than me, just hear my story, bro. You feel me? I am a young entrepreneur trying to build a life for myself. But it's all good, bro. You feel me? Even though I made a mistake, like I said, bro, I'm just rebuilding right now. I'm just building a better foundation, make sure my family's smooth, straight. You know what I mean? And for everybody that actually did help me out, my closest family, you know what I'm saying? Closest friends, family, I appreciate y'all to the utmost. You know what I'm saying? I love you guys. Thank you. Bottom of my heart. Um, yeah, man, that's pretty much how I lost 300K in about a year. I know I didn't give it. I know for a fact that I wasn't too detailed, but I'm trying to like sum it up, bro. I'm trying to get better with recording videos too, so I can get like become elite with it, production wise, and just make sure everything makes sense. Cause I'm someone who used to deal with social anxiety and all that. Right now, I feel like I kind of feel comfortable talking to camera now, but trying to get better. You feel me? But yeah, man, that's the story right there. But since I told you guys how I lost it, next video I'll tell you guys how I made it. How I made 6 figures at 22 years old.